Cleantron, in collaboration with BaaS Design, has developed a new sustainable battery, adjustable to your e-bike designs. The Cleantron Circular. The battery has a unique design where the battery can be repaired by replacing components without loss of quality or performance. The cells within the battery are packed together in multiple smaller collections called meta-cells. When one cell dies or underperforms, only that meta-cell has to be replaced, making it easy and more cost-effective to replace poorly performing cells without compromising the safety of the battery. The Cleantron Circular is designed to withstand impact. That being said, sometimes things break. Cleantron has designed the elements which are most often damaged to be easily replaceable at your local store. For the deeper issues, they can be sent to Cleantron or their European partners. The solutions implemented in this new design extend the lifetime of the battery to a guaranteed 10 years without a loss of performance and still looking as new. Do you want to make your e-bike design more sustainable and circular? Contact Cleantron and discuss your circular battery.